Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So you guys have been pushing me to get the lighted star on my Mercedes grille for over a year now, and my opinion of it was always, I thought it was a little too much. Well, I found a lighted star that I think is pretty unique and kind of fits my cup of tea. And at the end of the day, it only cost me 60 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can buy this, but let's go check it out. Bam! This is the new lighted star. As you can see, it's unique that it has that mirror kind of glass finish, which looks really cool compared to the current lighted star that you see online that has kind of like the mesh background. So this I think looks really good. This is my current Pan America GTR grille. It actually didn't come with this star. It came with this, which is kind of standard. It's kind of like the OEM one. I popped this off and I took this star from my SL grill, which actually didn't fit well. It was kind of loose and I had to use hot glue and glue it in place. And then around the edge, I actually use a thin strip of black vinyl, and it looks actually pretty good. But now I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully this will clip right in. If not, I might have to do some modifications to it. But I wanna show you how it looks. I just have a small little battery pack that I took from a flashlight. Let's just double check that it's good to go before we put it on. There you have it. Really cool. Okay, so let's take that off and let's see if we can put this on. So we have a problem. This star doesn't fit my grill. I'm not sure if this will fit the OEM grills or other grills, but it's weird because it has 3 tabs, one here, and one here. And they're kind of like curved, as you can see. They stick out in curves, so it looks like this is designed to twist onto a grill, which my grill doesn't have that capability. So probably for the newer Mercedes and some Mercedes this will work. So this could work on your car. But for my application, I'm gonna have to cut these tabs off. Probably do the same thing I did before. Center this as much as possible on my grill. Run a bead of hot glue around it to hold it in place. And then mount this on as well. If this clips on nice and tight, we're good to go. If not, I'm gonna have to glue this on as well. And then run a thin strip of black vinyl around just to cover the gap and the hot glue. Ah, this sucks, but whatever, I'll get this done. So after removing the 3 tabs, it still didn't fit in the grill flush. What I had to do was I had to remove the inner circle support that was part of this grill. It's basically this, and it ran around the whole entire circle. So once I removed all that out, this actually fits really well, even with the chrome cap. Now, next thing I'm gonna do is make sure this is glued onto this so it's one piece, and then we'll align it and then glue the star to the grill. Now I can install this onto the grill and align it. I just put the star in, it's nice and aligned and centered. I used some tape just to hold it in place. And now I can flip it upside down and start hot glue gunning it so it stays in place. So here it is. It's actually on really good and it fits really well. The only issue is there's a slight gap on the bottom. I can try to force it down and glue it some more, but what I'm gonna do instead is I cut a thin strip of black gloss vinyl that I'm just gonna wrap around the actual outside of the star so it hides all the gaps, and you won't really be able to see it because this is gloss black and the grill is gloss black. So the mod is completely done. As you can see, everything looks good. You could barely see the thin black vinyl that I put around the star, covering the gap. Now we can put it back on the car, wire it up, and we're done. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you guys like the new star. I think it looks pretty cool, and it's going to take some time getting used to see that lighted star, but I think when I see it, I'll be pretty happy. If you liked the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.